Nilinaw ni Retired Lieutenant General Raul Orgelio, ang Pangulo at Chairman ng Association of General and Flag Officers, na hindi nila pinoprotektahan ang nagtatagong si Retired Major General Jovito Palparan. Nagpahayag lamang umano siya sa hindi na makataong pagtrato dito tulad sa nangyayaring trial by publicity sa nagtatagong general. Pakiusap pa ni Orgelio na huwag namang akusahang berdugo si Palparan, hindi pa naman siya convicted at may karapatan din si Palparan na nakasaad sa konstitusyon. Dapat ding igalang ang basic rights nito, lalo pat hindi pa naman napatunayan ang mga kasong isinampa laban sa kanya.
Basically, it is to ask the maybe media entities to refrain from having a trial by publicity, and that we would like to ask that the basic constitutional rights of General Palparan be respected. Well, there should be no presumption of guilt unless proven otherwise. He should be presumed innocent. That is part of I think our process.
Sinabi pa ni Orgelio na kanilang inihayag ang caring and support kay Palparan.
So we are just airing our opinion and support that to respect his rights, which is supposed to be guaranteed by our Constitution. Sabi nga nila, bugbog sarado na raw si Palparan . And we feel that maybe we should see to it that he be given the justice that is guaranteed to every citizen.
Ang paliwanag ni Retired Lieutenant General Raul Orgelio, ang Pangulo at Chairman ng Asosasyon ng mga Retiradong General at Flag Officer ng Militar at Kapulisan. Iyan ang RH News sa Campo Aguinaldo, RH 911, Bing Formento, naglilingkod sa pagbabalita.